Oh my god, okay, we're gonna make this quick. I'm in the Menards parking lot. Save big money at Menards. And we're gonna eat a blizzard during a blizzard. But honestly, like, this isn't shit. Excuse me, I've been wanting snow. It's been like 60 degrees. It's December like 9th or 10th. I don't even know what the date is actually. But where's the snow? And it's finally snowing, and this ain't shit. This isn't shit. This isn't anything. Okay, I'm by a big pile of snow. All right, let me just get a picture really quick. This hat kind of makes my head look dumb. Oh my god, someone's driving by and they're looking right at me. Holy shit, I hate everything. Don't look at me. Go away. Okay, picture. This also, I didn't know this was gonna be a little tiny baby shit blizzard, okay? But also dairy, and I did not take lactate. Holy shit. Okay, the weather heard me talking shit, and they're like, yeah, let's fuck this bitch up. Okay, all right. I don't know how I'm gonna get a picture, but oh, the glare in my glasses, you guys. I'm sorry. Just skip ahead, okay? Good enough. All right, sorry if the wind's jibbling up my phone, but first bite, I should have brought gloves. Okay, it is actually pretty cold. I got the sugar cookie blizzard, and bitch, I love a sugar cookie. Okay, give me sugar cookie, frosting, everything. Okay, first bite. I feel like they gave me the wrong blizzard. Anyways, I'll still eat it. This doesn't taste like a sugar cookie at all. This tastes like artificial bullshit. I know I'm gonna get violently sick from it, but whatever. I didn't take lactate, which I was going to, but I completely forgot. See the snow? Maybe I'll just crouch. Hey, there it is. Maybe this will be a picture. Okay. Yeah. My fingers are fucking freezing, you guys. Maybe if I hold it like this. Woo! Let me get one of these big chunks. I got a little sugar cookie. Okay, this is pretty good. No, we have our Santa brunch coming up, and I have like a personal vendetta with the fucking Santa that comes every year. And I remember last year, okay, first of all, we serve like 400 plus people at this like big buffet, and Santa's there and you can take your picture and whatever. It's great. It's super fun. I love it. Everyone loves it. But Santa Claus and Mrs. Claus and the elves and whatever the fuck get to go through the buffet and like just stare at us while they're like scooping up food, and we're all starving usually at these buffets. Someone's driving by again. Menards was not the place to go because it's like people that I don't think would understand what I'm doing. But anyways, also look at my little earrings. They're little like snow globe guys. See the little guy in there? Oh my god. Anyways, last year, long story short with Santa, he has like a full plate of food, and he sits down and he looks at all of us servers while we're like busting our asses, and he literally rips major ass Like the biggest fucking fart I've ever fucking heard from a Santa Claus, I guess. And like, whatever, everyone farts. I have IBS, okay, I get it. Like, farts are fucking normal, okay? But this motherfucker did not, like, excuse himself or apologize or whatever, and just stared, like, right at us. And it was like, I swear, a power move. And I don't forget shit. People don't forget, Santa. So, anyways, I'm just gonna finish this my mouth is cold. Blizzard. Now I gotta go. Okay, it's cold. I got stuff to do. Woo. Sorry if my camera's all wonky. Side note, isn't Menards like so much fun? Does anyone else get like extremely excited in a Menards? Okay, this is like TMI, but every time I'm at Menards, I get so excited that I have to shit every time I go into Menards, and I don't know what it is. And like, I feel like that's the thing. I see a lot of that on TikTok about like when you go to a TJ Maxx and you gotta go blow up the bathroom because you get so excited. Like, I get it. I'm like that, and I've always been like that my whole life. Even as a kid, I go into Menards, I get all just worked up. I think about all the things I could be making and creating and designing somehow. I don't know. But anyone else? Please comment down below if you feel like you have to shit when you go to Menards. This is bussin', okay? Oh my God. I got a little bit left. You know, this mini was like the perfect size. Oh my God. Okay, literally, I think I, throughout my life, have had frostbite on my fingers and toes, because, like, it just hits my fingers differently. And I know you have more, like, sensors and shit in your fingers, and maybe that's why, but, oh my God. I know I have gloves in my car, and I probably could get them, but that just seems like a lot of work. There's sprinkles in here, and bitch, I love sprinkles. I wish I could show you like the cake or the cookie that's in there, but I don't know. Can't really see it. They have a candy cane blizzard, and like, that just sounds awful to me. I don't know. I've never, please don't come for me. This has been like a heated debate. I've never understood mint in anything besides like toothpaste. Oh, there's someone walking by. Like when I eat something and there's mint in it, it's like, I don't want to feel like I'm brushing my teeth while I'm eating something. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. I like mint on its own. I love mint on its own, but with other shit, no. And I feel like this is a nation divided on this topic. Oh, my nose is running. Holy shit. I don't know how cold it actually is out, but oh no, my hat came off. Whatever. Oh. I got a couple bites and I gotta go. All right, whatever. But again, this ain't shit. I want, like, a real blizzard. You know what I mean? I want roads to be closed. I want schools to be closed. I want the mall to close. I want everything to close. And I want to feel no guilt for staying home and being cozy. Okay? I want a snow day. Snow days are the best fucking thing ever. Ever. Okay? Nothing will bring me more joy than when we have a snow day. When it's like, hey, we're closed, you don't have to come into work. I'm like, oh my god, holy shit, someone just zipped by. I'm like, yes. Okay. So many people are driving by. It's fucking cold. I got hair in my goddamn mouth. Oh. Okay, I got like one bite left. Oh, this is really good. This is delicious. Uh-oh. Okay. Oh, please subscribe. I love you. Okay, bye.